Oh! I have to wear this.
Michael.
I have to. Oh no, don't film that.
Yeah, it smells like pigeon shit up here. Hello everyone, welcome to our Brooklyn, New York apartment tour. Now, if you're wondering how this came about. So one time, me and my ex went to New York. We went to New York between the dates of 4/18 and 4/24. Now, I'm not gonna say the exact date that we went for. I'm not gonna say it, and it was not this year, so don't come after us for COVID. However, I'm not gonna say what exact date it was. It was between 4/18 and 4/24. That's all I can say. This is all I'm gonna reveal. That's when we went. I get so laughing. That's when we went. I'm not giving any more. That's it. By the way, I promise that I am stone cold sober in that clip. And I also personally do not indulge in the grazing of the pastures. Though my ex did. Anywho, I hope you all enjoy this tour of the place we stayed at while in New York, and just know that this video is one of the first I ever really filmed for YouTube, so it might be just a tad bit shaky, just a tad. And they got a grill. Sorry about that. As there's like a TV here, a little bit of bed generator. Oh, also, if you're wondering if you've ever seen this video before, yes, because you probably have. Listen, I filmed this video before, I deleted it, I filmed it again, and I posted it again, I deleted it, I filmed it again, I deleted it. Listen, I don't, there's a lot of reasons why, okay? There's a lot of reasons why. I'm just gonna post it, I'm not gonna delete it again, and that's on period. If I delete it again, I'm a liar, I'm sorry. Yeah, okay, bye. I mean, not actually bye, like, because you gonna watch this video. I mean, unless you about to click off, which I really hope. Okay, no, just okay, I'm shut. Okay, bye. So we got the door, and then we walk straight into this living room bedding area. It's like so cool. Let me back up a little bit so y'all can like get the full light. It's so beautiful. So y'all can see there's like a TV here, a little bit of bed situation, coffee table situation, some seating, but the plants in here and like candles and stuff are wild. Instruments, we got some masks up in here, some beautiful artwork. I don't know if these are sponges or bread or what. Sorry about that. As you can hear, it's quite noisy, but we're gonna ignore that. More artwork. This mask that Michael had put on last night.
Come on, girl, say they stole this from us.
Michael!
Did I put it on?
No, it's backwards. Oh my, Michael, it's not on correct. You know it's not on correctly either.
No, there's little eye slits. I can see. See?
Doesn't see me coming. Just a side table. Just like, it's pretty. Ooh, and I haven't mentioned the best part. This chandelier looks literally like the coolest DIY I think I've ever seen. Actually functioning though is missing a light bulb. Yeah, and as you can see, there's just stuff up there. It's so the most like boho cute thing ever. In New York, can't get drunk 'cause welcome. So next you turn around and you come to the kitchen dining room area, and isn't this so cool? Wait, let me see. Like, look, that's so cool. So first you have like the centerpiece, this dining table, which is like so rustic, and every single chair is a different chair. And y'all see this is so dope. Got some refrigerator, some stuff on top, just got the goods in here. Tons of silverware, tons of spices on the side, you know. Sink. Oh, this is so cool. Some more spices in these like artsy looking jars. Some knives just in case somebody comes and breaks in. Look at this one. Wait, like, so cool. And they just stick there. They're actually like, it's functional art. Some pots. This flask, that's cool. It's in Sudan. Okay. And this cool, like, this is the most trippy artwork ever. Oh my gosh. And from this dining area, if you just turn a little bit to your left, you have this little seating area. Remember saying there's a pillow that's supposed to be there. It's not there. Oh, actually, I think it's this thing. Michael just moved it here. I'll just move it back. There's such a nice little area by the windows. Little side table there, and they got a grill, some illicits over there. This is such a cool artwork piece. Oh my god. Did it open? Oh my god, it's functional. Yo, y'all, functional art is actually like my thing. I love this so much. And then we got the bedroom, which we'll be showing y'all in a different sequence. But if y'all want to really know the reason why, it's not just like I'm trying to make like a, oh.
Hey. Can I sleep here tonight? I'm sorry.
Michael.
Irrational. I can sleep on the couch. It's not even like. Alright.
What? Yeah, so this tour is over. I'll see y'all later.